Hi, I'm good. I hope you're good too. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how avocado is great for you, why it's a superfruit, and why you should eat it. If you have a body that you love, subscribe to the channel because I'll be posting more video content on how you can take care of it. So without wasting much time, let's jump right into it. Alright, let's start off with why it's a superfruit. Well, despite it being so delicious, apples give a lot of nutritional values. Here's some of the major nutrients they serve. There's vitamin K, there's vitamin C, there's vitamin E, there's vitamin B5, there's vitamin B6, there is folate too. Some of these nutrients, some of them are good for your eyes, some of them are good for your skin, some are anti-aging, some prevent the symptoms of diseases like arthritis and some types of cancers too. Well, these are just majors, right? There are also minors. Although your body needs very, very little amounts of some of these minors, they are still essential. There is iron, there is zinc, there is phosphorus, there is vitamin A, vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B3, all that in one pear-shaped, green, and glorious avocado. And that's not all. Avocados come along with healthy fats, a little bit of protein, and lots of potassium. I could list how each and every nutrient does for you, but it's a lot really. A lot of good stuff for a better and healthier you. So here's the best advice you've ever received. Incorporate avocado in your meals. I repeat, incorporate avocados in your meals. There is. Just serve them with whatever you're eating. Avocados actually have more potassium than most of the fruits that exist right now. And potassium serves mostly in relaying electrical impulses in your brain cells and pretty much in the whole of your nervous system. It also reduces the risks of strokes, heart attacks, high blood pressure, and kidney failures. And all this is just in avocado, really. Avocado is great. Avocados also, they're oily, right? In fact, avocado is the number one fruit in the entire fruit world that have the highest content in fat. But the fat in avocados isn't unhealthy. It's monounsaturated fat. The fat in avocados is oleic acid. It's a fatty acid that is called oleic acid. Oleic acid reduces inflammation and it does a great job in preventing certain types of cancers too. So, as you can see here, avocados are a real biggie, but you don't see many people taking it. Even those people that are sensitive about what they eat and what they do with their food, you don't see them eating fruits like avocado. You gotta eat this thing, really. Okay, let me give you a heads up first. Do you know that of all the diseases that are killing people right now, these days, heart diseases are the most common, especially this generation. Do you know why is that? Because people spend the rest of their childhood and youth eating pizzas and processed fruits and neglecting fruits like avocado. Fruits are now like dessert or that little bite time. That's when they eat fruits. They never like make fruits part of their meal, their main meal. So when people start to grow old, what they lack even in small amounts which are present in fruits will have big complications, big health complications, and it's usually the heart that is affected. So do yourself a favor, a huge favor, and start eating what's actually good for you. Eat fruits like avocados. According to me, avocados are the best in the fruit world, but you don't have to just eat avocado, make them balanced. But my point is, eat fruits, eat fruits, please. Make them fit into your meals, like let them have a significant portion in your diet, really. Make smoothies, make them fit. I cannot tell it enough in words. Okay, let me tell you more about avocados. I made this video about avocado, right? I'm getting carried off, sorry. Avocados also reduce bad cholesterol levels and triglyceride levels. This does a lot of good for you, especially for your heart. You lose weight, and they're also good in many ways. They're good for your eyes, they're good for healthy skin, healthy heart, healthy you as a whole, and they prevent many bad healthy complications. So incorporate fruits, especially avocados, in your diet, whether you're diabetic or you're a vegetarian, whatever diet you follow. Incorporate fruits like avocados in your diet, please, for your own sake. You might feel all healthy and strong now when you're young, but you eat what you like, you eat a lot of junk, and you don't feel any unhealthiness in you. That's because your metabolism is coping out with it. But I tell you, when you grow old, it'll all catch up with you. When your metabolism starts to shrivel, whatever you liked when you were a kid, so whatever you like when you're a kid, it'll affect you when you grow old. So eat your fruits, eat your avocado. You don't have to eat them like non-stop. Just make them fit into whatever you are eating, into your usual diet. Make them fit into your usual diet. You can make some smoothies with them, or you can make a salad. They're actually delicious. I wonder why people don't eat them. They're good. Actually, there's an article I found on the net. There are 23 ways to prepare an avocado. You can make an ice cream with them. You can make a lot of stuff. You can look at it after this video. I've put a link in the description to that article. So that's all for avocado for today. Do me a favor, like this video. If you want more video on health and food, just subscribe. Welcome to welcome to my tribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Sayonara.